Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing one of my favorite go-to low maintenance natural hairstyles, and as you can tell from the thumbnail, you already know it's mini twist. So I just want to show you guys my parting method real quick. I do this parting method with every hairstyle that I do, and as you can see, I just parted that with my fingers. So starting off on freshly washed hair, this time around I wanted my hair to be completely dry for this style. My last mini twist video was done on wet hair, so I just want to see which way I prefer the best. The only product I'll be using is the Doux Mousse. This is actually my first time trying out this mousse, and I absolutely loved it. I usually go for about 2 pumps per section, but you can adjust it based on your hair's thickness and length. Now, I won't be adding any type of products to the roots of my hair because I want to avoid any unnecessary buildup. So mini twists have been gaining so much popularity in the natural hair community. They are a super versatile hairstyle that works for every hair type and texture. I mean, you can wear them down, you can wear them in a ponytail, or even pull them into a cute bun. Plus, they're low maintenance, which is one of the main reasons I keep coming back to them. And you know, once they're in, you're set for at least a couple of weeks without having to do much to them to keep them looking fresh. So if you're on a healthy hair journey or just looking to grow your hair, I would suggest doing mini twists. They are great for length retention and reducing breakage. Since my hair is tucked away and not being manipulated daily, I can see growth and less shedding when I take them down. So if you haven't tried mini twists yet, I highly recommend giving them a shot. They're perfect for anyone looking for a low maintenance protective style. So let me know in the comments if mini twists are one of your favorite go-to hairstyles, or if you're thinking about trying them out for the first time. So I do like to start braiding at the root first, and I just braid a few times at the top to secure the twist and give it a stronger base. And this just helps the twist last longer, and then I split it into and twist all the way down. I like to make sure I twirl the ends around my finger to lock the twist in place and to prevent it from unraveling. I'm keeping the section small for that fuller, defined look that I personally love. So just split your section in two and start twisting all the way down. And don't forget to twirl the ends around your finger, and this just keeps the twist locked and prevents it from unraveling. So now that my mini twists are done, it's time to lock in some moisture with my grapeseed oil. I love using this oil because it's lightweight and it doesn't leave my hair feeling greasy, and plus it adds a nice shine to it. And it's also full of antioxidants and vitamin E, and it's also a natural heat protectant. So if you're like me and occasionally diffuse your twist to speed up drying time, then you have that extra layer of protection. So that is the end of this video. I love that my hair is looking super full right now. This is the look I was going for. My hair feels so light and soft, and I love how different my hair looks every time I style these. So that is the end of this video. Let me know in the comments if you used this mousse before, or if you have any tips for keeping your twist looking fresh. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.